I'm Bamboo. I'm a happy dog. I like to nap, get belly rubs, keep up with the latest smells, tan in the sun, and you can't forget a good stretch. Oh, that's my little brother Rubix. He's a silly guy. He also has the same hobbies as me. So here's what a productive day in the life looks like. I wake up every day at 7 a.m. The first thing I do is eat breakfast, of course. Rubix gets so excited, he always has to twirl. After breakfast, we like to race down the stairs to see who can get the first sniff. I like to get my steps in with the LifePro treadmill, which is where today's sponsor comes in. Just kidding, I'm my own sponsor. This is where I work. I like to do 2 to 3 hours every day so I can still have time for other things, like nap. I mean, what's a productive day without a good nap? I nap in several different places. So cozy. I basically nap until I hear the words,
"Do you wanna... Hey? Do you wanna eat pizza? Do you wanna sit on the couch? Do you wanna go for a walk?" I didn't even finish my sentence.
Remember to always stretch before exercise, guys. This is the forest we go to. And this is the bridge we always cross. After the walk, we chill. Rubix likes to play with the toys. And I like to play music for a little bit.
Good girl.
Look, people are here. I think it's the band. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to say hi. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh no, he's gonna kick me out. He says it's too loud, but I just want some pets. After they're done, it's time for...
Do you want to eat? Let's go eat.
First gotta stay hydrated. Last outdoor minutes. Time to wind down with a nice movie. Rubix didn't want to watch this part. So yeah, that's my life. Not all days are this busy. I hope you enjoyed the video though. Paw that subscribe button. Guess I'm gonna go to sleep now. Good night. I don't know if you want to use that.